How to connect a Roblox account to PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Roblox account to the PlayStation 5. It's a pretty simple process, so follow along. You will be able to use the same Roblox account that you use on the other platforms like PC or mobile. To play on PlayStation 5, all of your avatar items, customizations, and profile information will be transferred. You will be able to play the same experiences with the same progress you've already made. So to get started, open the PlayStation Store and search for Roblox to download. Select the Roblox icon, choose the option to add it to your library, and follow the on-screen instructions. After Roblox is installed, you can launch it by selecting it from your game library. When you open Roblox for the first time, you will see the login screen. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials, and you can choose the option to log in using your email and password or your username and password as well. So make sure that you use the correct details to log into your existing Roblox account without any problems. You may also see the quick login option. Quick login allows you to scan a QR code to log in without having to type in your username or password. For example, if you're already logged in your mobile device, you can go to the menu, access the settings, and choose Quick Login. Then point the camera at the QR code and you can log into your PlayStation 5. There is no such secret. As soon as you enter the valid account credentials, you will log in and be able to see all of your account details, like recent experiences, your friends, your avatar, and everything else. Everything will be accessible. So I hope this helped you connect your Roblox account to the PlayStation 5. So if this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.